Chancenkarte, also known as the Opportunity Card, has been launched in Germany. People are now able to book appointments at the German embassies. And I've also seen some people even getting the Opportunity Card already. But there are a few things that most of the people still do not know about this Opportunity Card in Germany. So in this video, I'll cover what Chancenkarte is, its requirements, and most importantly, why the Chancenkarte or the Opportunity Card in Germany is not a good decision for everyone. By the way, if you're new to the channel, my name is Ahsan, I'm a researcher, and on this channel we discuss how to succeed financially in Germany. Let's start with what is Chancenkarte or the Opportunity Card. Well, the Chancenkarte is the updated version of the job search visa in Germany. The job search visa allowed you to stay in Germany for 6 months to find a job. If you found a job, you could convert your visa to a work visa or a blue card. However, you couldn't work part-time on the job search visa, which meant relying solely on your savings. Chancenkarte changes this. It allows you to stay in Germany for 1 year and work part-time up to 20 hours a week, helping you cover your expenses while you search for a job. This visa can be extended for 2 more years. But this is where most of the people get it wrong. You only have 1 year to find the job and not 3 years, according to the official wording. In the cases where the job search leads to a qualified employment, but not all of the requirements for an employment are met, the Opportunity Card can be extended for up to 2 years with the approval of the Federal Employment Agency. This means that if you have found a job within 1 year period on the Chancenkarte or the Opportunity Card, but there are still some additional requirements for your job, only then will you be able to extend the visa up to 2 years. Even then, the extension depends on the Federal Employment Agency. Here, I can think of a regulated profession like a doctor. Even though the doctor's degree might be recognized, the regulated profession needs additional exams like a Fachsprachprüfung or specialized language test and Kenntnisprüfung or the knowledge test. These tests can take multiple years to pass and fulfill the additional requirements. This means that for most people, there is no extension of the Opportunity Card and they will only have 1 year to find a job, so please keep that in mind. Path to German citizenship with the Chancenkarte. With the Chancenkarte, you can come to Germany for 1 year to find a job. Once you secure a job, you can convert your visa to a work visa or a blue card, depending on your profession and skill. If you get a blue card, you can apply for permanent residency (PR) after 21 months. With a regular work visa, you can apply for a PR after 33 months. Based on the new German immigration law, you can apply for German citizenship in only 3 years if you can prove your integration in Germany. Otherwise, staying in Germany legally for 5 years can make you eligible for citizenship. Thus, the Chancenkarte sets you up for a long-term future in Germany, including a PR and a passport. I have a detailed video on other paths to citizenship in Germany. I'll put a link to that in the description. Requirements for Chancenkarte. Previously, you needed a university degree in most work visa situations to come to Germany. Now you can also come with a recognized diploma or vocational training from your home country. Before I discuss the requirements in detail, please hit the like button if you're getting value from this video and consider subscribing. Mandatory requirements for the Chancenkarte in Germany. Education. Bachelor's or master's degree recognized in Germany or a diploma recognized in your home country. Language skills. A1 German language or B2 English language. English which would be equivalent to 5.5 to 6 bands in IELTS. Proof of living expenses. Either open a block account with 12,324 euros or secure a part-time job in Germany. If you meet these 3 requirements, you're eligible for the Chancenkarte without needing to score points. Now let's talk about the point system. If you don't have a recognized degree, you can qualify through a point system which is divided in 4 categories: education and experience. 4 points for partially recognized degree, 3 points if you have 5 years work experience in the past 7 years, or 2 points if you have 2 years experience in the past 5 years. Language skills. 3 points if you have B2 German language proficiency, 2 points if you have B1 German language proficiency, 1 point if you have A2 German, and 1 point if you have C1 or C2 English language certificate. Age. If you have 2 points if you are 35 or younger, and 1 point if you are between 36 and 45 years old. Life situation. You get 1 additional point if you have lived legally in Germany for more than 6 months on a visa other than the tourist visa, like a spouse visa, student visa, or a research visa, etc. You also get 1 point if your spouse is also eligible for the Opportunity Card. With the point system, you need at least 6 points to qualify. The simplest way to check your eligibility for the opportunity card in Germany would be going to this website and checking yourself. I'll put a link to that below the like button. Now here you can start with putting your country name, then your qualification. Is your degree recognized or not? I'll show you how to check that later on in the video, but as I mentioned earlier, if your degree is recognized in Germany, you are automatically eligible to apply for the opportunity card. So let's assume your degree is partially recognized. Then the German and English language skills, your age, work-related experience, bottleneck profession, which I will also discuss later in the video, then time spent in Germany, and finally, is your partner also eligible for an opportunity card? At the end, you'll get the score. You can modify your answers if you think you made a mistake and see if you are eligible or not. Checking degree recognition for Chancenkarte or opportunity card. To check if your degree or diploma is recognized, you can visit the Anabin database. Again, link below the like button. Here we can check our university as well as degree recognition. This website is in German, so if you do not have good German skills, you should use the Google Translate tool. First, we check the institutions. Select Seek and put your specific details. In this example, I'll put in Pakistan and put NED University. In the status, you can see the university status. H plus means recognized, H minus means not recognized, and plus minus means partially recognized. Next, we check the degree status. Again, I'll put in the country and search for the relevant degree. What if your degree is not recognized? Well, in that case, we go to another website, ZAB, or the Central Office for Foreign Education. Here we can get our university degree evaluated. For this, you will need to make an account, add your university details, and apply for evaluation. The certificate evaluation costs 208 euros. Bottleneck professions in Germany. Bottleneck professions in Germany refer to the job sector where the demand for skilled workers significantly exceeds the supply. Some of the bottleneck professions in Germany include nursing occupations, medical assistants, construction occupations, childcare professions, mechanics, pharmacists, architects for urban and infrastructure projects, hotel and catering services, IT sector jobs, metal construction, and bus drivers. Why the Chancenkarte might not be a fit for you. The opportunity card in Germany might not be a fit for many people. Don't get me wrong, it's a great opportunity to come and work in Germany, but you need to set realistic expectations with the Chancenkarte. First one is the language requirements. Even if your specific field does not require German language proficiency, you need to have at least B1 language proficiency to be able to function in Germany. Trust me, even if you get this visa, you will struggle to adjust in Germany, let alone be able to find a job. Just imagine if someone comes to your country and doesn't speak a single word of your local language. They might be able to survive in larger cities, but I guarantee they will struggle in the smaller ones. So please work on your German language skills. Another thing which I think is the biggest misconception most people have is the worker shortage. You will see article after article saying that there is a huge shortage of skilled workers in Germany. Yes, it is true that there is a shortage of skilled workers, but not everywhere and not in every field. The numbers most articles and statistical websites share are averages from all over the country. Most of the shortage is in either bottleneck professions like bus drivers, construction workers, carpenters, etc. Or in case of engineers and doctors, the shortages are in smaller cities. And do you know where most of the people coming on the opportunity card in Germany fit in? They are in non-bottleneck professions who want to live in larger cities. Now I know this might not apply to you, but please understand that you might have to move to a smaller city where there are almost no English jobs in order for you to survive in Germany. The IT sector is having a bloodbath right now. People are getting fired and hired or being forced to take a pay cut. Now it's not all doom and gloom as long as you follow these things. Number one, accept that there is a decent probability that you will not find a full-time relevant job on the Chancenkarte because your visa will be only extended if you find a job in the field you got the opportunity card for. Number two, before coming to Germany, you should have at least a B1 certificate because the skills you gather by doing a B1 certificate are equivalent to about A2 in real life. So anything less than that would mean you need to focus more on your language than search for a job. Number three, be ready to move to smaller cities. Yes, there are jobs in Munich, Berlin, and Hamburg, but chances are those markets are not a good fit for your profession. If you only look for jobs in these cities, you might not be able to find work in Germany. I hope this video helps you understand the Chancenkarte or the opportunity card in Germany, its benefits and the realistic expectations that you must have. If you're interested in having a one-to-one consultation with me, you can visit this link. And if you want to know other paths to German citizenship, you can watch this video. So thanks for watching, bleib gesund, and I'll see you in this video.